Side effects may include headache, viral infection, sore throat, nose bleeds, and coughing. Infections of the nose bleeds and coughing. Infections of the nose, infections of the
A tornado warning has been issued. A tornado warning has been issued for your tornado.
Cataracts may occur. Regular eye exams. Slow wound healing may occur, so do not use Nasonex until your nose has healed from any sores.
It does not come in for you.
Quarterback Tim Tebow.
You plant, healthy. You mow, you grow. The John Deere Grow Fund.
Kept coming and kept coming.
Unsuspecting victims.
Oh my Lord.
Straight twist fate. Premiering Wednesday at 9 on the Weather.
The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or
on the 8th month's Memorial Day forecast brought to you by Liquid. Feeding as easy as
Noise.
The National Tornado Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado weather warning for South Central Michigan, Jackson County in South Central Michigan until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daytime. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe squall line capable of producing brief tornado rain-wrapped tornadoes in addition to widespread tornado straight line wind damage. This dangerous storm was located near Bellevue and moving east at 70 miles per hour. Very damaging winds have been due and Battle Creek with this storm. Damage ports. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Jackson, Lansing, Springport, Grass Lake, Concord, Brooklyn, Leopartville, Williamston, Stockbridge, Leslie, Mason, Vandercook Lake, Horton. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornado-sized hail as well. Widespread significant damage. Squall line tornado hidden by heavy rain. Wait to see the tornado. Take cover now. Move to your room on your home or business.
Winds low 60, 67, 7. And on Monday, sunny sky, very warm, high 89. Winds southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Monday night, clear, low 70. Winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, scattered strong to severe.
Earth's most treacherous weather. Tornadoes, hurricanes,